Have you ever pondered the workings of the Google Cloud Platform? Well, today, we're going to peel back the layers of this technological marvel. Google Cloud Platform, often abbreviated as GCP, is a suite of cloud computing services that runs on the same infrastructure that Google uses internally for its end-user products. These products include some of the most popular applications in the world, such as Google Search and YouTube. The journey begins with understanding the core components of GCP. Firstly, we have the compute engine. This is an infrastructure as a service component that provides user-defined virtual machines. It's like having an infinitely scalable computer at your fingertips, ready to handle any task you throw at it. Next, we have the app engine. This is a platform as a service component that automatically scales the hosting environment for web applications. It's like having a personal webmaster, constantly adjusting and optimizing your website to ensure it runs smoothly. Then we have the Kubernetes engine. This is a managed service for running containerized applications, allowing you to automate, deploy, scale, and manage applications. It's like having a fleet of ships, each carrying a part of your application, ready to sail to any part of the world at a moment's notice. Finally, we have the cloud functions. This is a serverless execution environment for building and connecting cloud services. It's like having an invisible workforce, silently carrying out tasks in the background without needing a server to live on. Google Cloud Platform is not just about these core components. It also offers a range of storage and database options, networking services, machine learning and artificial intelligence capabilities, management tools and developer tools. It's a one-stop shop for all your cloud computing needs. To summarize, Google Cloud Platform is a comprehensive suite of cloud services that provides computing resources, hosting for web applications, containerized application management, serverless functions, and a plethora of other services. It's built on the same robust infrastructure that powers Google's own applications, offering unparalleled performance, scalability, and reliability. So, if you're looking for a cloud platform that offers a wide range of services and uses the same infrastructure as one of the world's leading tech companies, then Google Cloud Platform is worth considering. It's like having the power of Google at your disposal, ready to help you achieve your goals. That's the wonder of Google Cloud Platform, a testament to the power of modern technology and the limitless potential it holds. It's a world where the sky isn't the limit, but just the beginning.